Hi everyone! We're here again at Diva's Kitchen. Today I'm gonna have a simple breakfast for you. It's called the bird's nest. So here you go. You put a hole in the bread and then you fry it and put the egg in the middle. Okay? So we need butter, of course. So that you'll toast the bread in there. Oops, I'm almost out. But anyway, I still have some, so I need to buy a new one. But anyway, you see my flowers? Because it's springtime, so I figure out, let's have a little bit of sunshine. Di ba? So anyway, so here I go. I toast my bread. So toast it. And then go ahead and put your egg in the middle. So you can, actually you can put some salt and pepper if you may. But see, this is how it looks like. There you go. There you go. This is how it looks like. So just let it fry into the pan. And then enjoy. So see, simple and economical. So I will show you the finished product later. Alright. Subscribe and watch my videos. Again, another affordable breakfast, cheap and easy. Just a few minutes and you have a good breakfast. Thank you. Bye.